mimi napepea, maombe uniombe, mziki nizidi bombea, kutoweza kurekodi kama huna cha kuwapea, niuze sura nione kama watanunua. Si rahisi kwenye runinga na radio zote nivume, si rahisi kwenye Twitter waseme mi pia nitambe, si rahisi mabloga chocha huyu ni mwandishi, si rahisi, si rahisi, nilifunga safari eti naanza kuimba.
Hey, what's up? It's Robe. So today I'm gonna walk you through on how you'd play Si Rahisi on the keys. This one is an easy song, only 4 chords. So if you're a beginner, this one should be a no-brainer. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's zoom in right after this. Si Rahisi is in the key of B, and the progression is 6, 4, 1, 5. So the whole song is actually that progression, 6, 4, 1, 5. So the 6 is G sharp minor, the 4 is E, the 1 is B major, and the 5 is F sharp major. So I will start with the minor chord, which is G sharp minor, show you how to hold it, and then as we progress to the other chords. So the G minor chord on my, this is a G minor first inversion of the G sharp minor chord. So normally I'll hold it here, G sharp, then first inversion. So with my, on my left arm, with my small finger and ring finger, I am playing note B. With my middle finger, I'm playing note D sharp, and with my thumb, I'm playing G sharp. So that's G sharp minor chord. So on my right, on my right hand, thumb, note B, middle finger, note D sharp, and G sharp with my small finger. So that's G sharp minor chord. So the chord that follows is the 4, which is E major. So this is the second inversion of chord E. So normally I'd hold it there. So E, first inversion, second inversion. Excuse me, guys. So with my left hand, I am playing note B with my small finger, or I still can use your ring finger. With your pointer finger, note E, and G sharp with your thumb. E major chord on second inversion. On my right hand, note B, still this is a E second inversion. So normally here E first inversion, second inversion. So B note with my thumb, E with my middle finger, and G sharp with my small finger, or you still can use your small finger. It's more comfortable when you're using your small finger. So that's E note, followed by the B chord. So the B chord, this is just the normal way. This is how you'd hold your B chord. So on my left hand, I am playing note B with my ring finger and small finger, note D sharp with my middle finger, and F sharp with my thumb. Right, note B with my thumb, note D sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. That's F sharp, that's B, and then finally from B, chord F sharp. So chord F sharp, this is an inversion, first inversion of F sharp. So normally you'd hold F sharp there, and then you'll hold the F sharp, the first inversion. So with my left hand, I'm playing note A sharp with my small finger, ring finger, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my thumb. On my right hand, F sharp, note A sharp with my thumb, C sharp with my pointer finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. So that's F sharp major chord. So those are the chords that comprise the progression. So the rhythm, you can count it as, so if you're a beginner and you need an idea on a rhythm, just count as 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Ndotoni yote eti mimi inapepea tu, maombi mniombe, mziki nizidi bombea. 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. So if you use that rhythm, you should play the song. So that's it, guys, for the tutorial. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and also, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So with that, guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.